Hello, my name is Stephen Valle, and in this video I'll be talking about the new development workflow we are using in the SkillCourt system and give a walkthrough of how to set up the development environment. During the beginning of the semester, we made the decision to utilize Docker containers to host our website because of troubles that certain members were having with setting up the environment. The following tutorial will show how easy it is to get up and running on Docker. Please make sure that you follow the documentation if you get lost in the video. It has detailed steps and commands. Thank you. For development on Laravel, we decided to use a different methodology for development. Instead of having everyone be responsible for what their environment consists of, we set up a Docker container to provide a consistent environment that everyone has access to. I highly suggest using Visual Studio Code to do your development of the website because it provides you with a terminal to build and launch the container from and provides tools for Laravel development. Under the root directory of the website, there are two files that need to be run in order to set up the container. Instructions on using these files are included in the README file, which we can also view through Visual Studio Code. We can click here to display a preview of the markdown, and we can go ahead and expand it. So, the two files that are included are the build Laravel image right here, which is a Docker file used to build our Laravel container from a base PHP image. And we also have our run Laravel scripts that can be used to automate the starting of the development server and the mounting of the project files onto the container. So we'll follow the instructions here quickly and get our development server running. First, we build our image. And now that this script has run and our Laravel image has been created, we can now run our PowerShell script to get the development server running. Now, once we see this last message here, that means that our development server is ready. So as you can see, the default port for the development server is 8000, and if you're on Windows Professional Edition, the IP address will be localhost, or the IP address of your machine. So we can go ahead and open up a browser and open up localhost. And here we have our website.